Well, I'm back here at the washout, and it's looking the same it was in December. So I'm going to walk down here with the bike. It looks like it's pretty low, so definitely no problem crossing today. I say that now, but it should not be any problem. Stay tuned. What it's looking like. Okay, I'm going to cross here in a minute, but I have the bags unpacked. I'll take the bob bag out. Probably make 3 or 4 trips across with as much stuff I have. Like I say, it's no problem going up. Shouldn't be. And that's what it looks like right now. You see that marker? At the end of September, the last flood, water was up to that point. So if you can imagine, I'm standing right now, and that's eye level. So that's 5 feet just from where I'm at, and add another couple of feet in the creek. So if it's up to that ribbon, that would be also up to the curved section, if I can point it out here, right there in that curve section where it starts on that arch. That'll be the water level. So that'd be about 7 feet, I think. Yeah, since December, there's been a little more wash out or debris coming down through here, like that tree. This was pretty well clear back in December. That's what I have so far. Put one loop through the belt, then I'm going to tie it off. And there it is, tied off. Probably can't see that too well. But anyways, got my stuff across. Bags did leak some, so my feet are wet. My legs are dry. But could wear sandals, I guess. But it's a little slippery underneath the water with that slimy rock. But let me point out, I use these couple rocks right here, and then it steps down. You gotta be careful because it's slippery. There's like a hole there, and then it walks across, then up until like a high spot, then right there. So that's how I did it. All right, onward I go. Oh, here I go. I wish the rocks were there all the way across. There should be a couple more, but that'd be perfect. And then over on the other side. But right about here, and then I step down into this little hole. Careful, it's slippery. And there's a metal band in there. And then finally back up. But the creek is pretty low. Whoa. That's that material. Alright, well, the bags sort of work, but they leak. So my feet are wet. So break out the dry socks in a minute. Alright, so now the next step up that hill. Well, finished loading the bike up almost. A couple more panniers there to put on. And goes across the creek. It's been about 45 minutes. So it took me a while. Alright, load it up and on I go. Okay, across the creek, on I go.